Hey guys, what's up? This is Shrija. Here's the gem. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this amazing slime. So let's get right in the video and let's make our slime. So you'll need a bowl and a spoon to mix all of our slime ingredients. So the main ingredient and our first ingredient is glue. So we're gonna add that into our bowl. So I have added all of my glue. Now you're gonna need a very little amount of water and you're gonna add it in the glue. And then mix it with the help of a spoon. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. So now I'm gonna make my slime pink. I love pink slimes. So I'm gonna add a very little amount of, as it will make like a light pink shade. So I added that color and it looked like more than pink, than on orange. It looked like orange color. So I added a different shade of pink color and I added a lot of pink color. That was so much. So here is the color which I thought of and I loved this color. So now we are gonna add some detergent. Very little amount. You should add very little amount of detergent. So let's move to our next ingredient, that is shaving cream, and this is the most important ingredient to make our slime. So I add little by little, and if you need to add some more shaving cream, you can add. So here I added some more shaving cream and mixed it off. So as you can see, it is forming into slime, and here we go. My slime is all completed and this was so much awesome and I love to play with it. And also this sounds very satisfying and amazing. So I also made a different color of slime, that is sky blue, and I mixed both of them and made this light purple shade. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Super DESAI Sisters. Bye!